Hi, guys, and welcome to Usitility. Are you an active player of Guns of Glory and would like to play this game on large screen? In this video you will definitely know about playing Guns of Glory on PC. Everybody knows, this is actually an Android operating system game, and we are going to find out how to set up it on personal computer. Keep watching the video to ensure you not skip any part. Now why don't we take action? A link is displayed in the video description or perhaps in the first pinned comment. You will see this link actually. Simply click it, it will take you to this page of BlueStacks Guns of Glory. With the help of BlueStacks, we will install and play this game on a large screen. BlueStacks runs like an emulator, and utilizing a keyboard and mouse, you can play any Android game on your laptop. Click on the option, Download Guns of Glory for PC. In order to download Guns of Glory, here you go, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. We go to the file that has been downloaded. In Windows 10, it'll have asked us for permission, we enter yes and accept. Reduce the browser in order to visit installation settings. Now I will opt for the directory where I would like to install the game. Directory could be selected simply by clicking on Customize Installation. So as to carry on, go here on Install Now, and then game installation will start. It's going to download just a few megabytes. Determined by your net connection, it will be faster or even slower. The installation of the emulator will start quickly. As you can see, the file has been installed. As BlueStacks is installed in my laptop first time, therefore it is going to take some time to launch. This specific step is really crucial. We must sign in to Google Play. We will click on Sign In. Sign in to Google Play by providing your email and also password. It is important to sign in if we want to install this game. In this step, we'll just sign in into the Google account. We've entered it, and it welcomes us. We need to accept the terms. We click I agree. It asks for making backup of our system in the cloud storage, however we do not require it, so we click No. Observe that this specific device is like a mobile phone or a tablet, and it will provide us with the choice to create a backup of our files within the cloud storage in case we lose it and want to recover it. Anyhow, we have eventually reached our Google Play account. In order to escape the emulator, here is an arrow, click on it. Just before carrying on, look at the two icons it has produced here, BlueStacks as well as BlueStacks Multi-Instance. The first option is actually to start BlueStacks. It's the time to install Guns of Glory on laptop or computer in order that we'll enjoy this interesting game on a big screen. Google Play will even require you to set up the account along with the payment mode. We're not thinking about buying anything at all, therefore we can click the Skip button. Installing the Guns of Glory starts, it downloads the game. Speedier net connection is recommended to complete downloading instantly. I'll be back after this downloading in order to save plenty of time. Wow, this is actually the icon of your favorite game, and this particular icon is identical to the one that shows up in mobile. When we restart laptop, we click twice this specific Windows icon, and the game will start. Double-clicking icon of the game from desktop is just one way to start the game, and another way is to start it via BlueStacks. Just click here to begin Guns of Glory and enjoy. Here is an option to customize the keyboard configuration. Anyways, keyboard configurations already seem appropriate, so we will undoubtedly close it. Firstly, let me tell you the two main big screen methods. Look, this is how you may enhance the screen by maximizing the emulator. This specific option is just suitable for people who need to get the big screen but not 100% full screen. By pressing F11, you'll get 100% full screen for this game. After you will start playing in the full screen mode, you'll be able to better focus on the game. Depending on the power of your computer, Guns of Glory could be more or even less fluid, as this is an emulator and needs a great deal of power. Want to know the way to change the game language? Let's explore it. You go on Preferences right here. This drop-down menu will show various languages, out of which you may choose any specific language. See, this is how we have altered the language. The game is eventually installed. It is all set to play. If this video was effective for you, then don't forget to subscribe to Usitility channel, and we will come with new stuff. Thanks for paying attention to the video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye.